Hello, welcome to today's presentation, today's short presentation actually. My name is Pedro, I'm for Spark Liaison, and we're going to be showing you how you can find clients efficiently in the shortest amount of time possible, regardless of industry, region, deal size, and all market conditions. So let's get right into it. And who is this presentation for? You're a manufacturer looking to expand your vendor network and make more sales. You don't want to keep relying on conferences and exhibitions and pay traffic to generate sales, and you already have a proven product. You're beyond the testing stages. You just want to be seen and to sell. You want qualified vendors to partner with you and to buy from you. That is the most important part. So if any of those steps resonate with you, you should definitely stick through it. You're going to get some valuable assets out of this presentation. So let's get right into this. What will you gain from watching this presentation? So we're going to be going over a very short introduction on what we do, how we work, and what the next steps are. We just want to make sure it all makes sense to you. And at the end of this presentation, you're going to be getting access to all of the systems. So who am I? My name is Pedro Ventura. I'm a sales executive here at Spark Liaison, and we work, Kevin and I, the founder, work closely to provide, the best service as lead gen for industries in the medical service space, right? In the medical device space. So I'm a 25-year-old Brazilian living in Philadelphia at the moment, and I have over 5 years of sales experience working with major corporations such as Turn 14 Distribution and Airbnb. And I'm an ex-professional youth basketball player a little while ago. And most importantly, I like to think that I'm a passionate innovator and problem solver. So let's skip the fluff and get into this. So our AI-enabled prospecting system that helps innovative manufacturers find their next high-earning clients. How does all of that work? Well, we're going to be leveraging our proprietary database of 200 million global vendors, firms, and our clients, which would be you, existing sales assets, to connect you with thousands of potential buyers each and every single day, right? So we're going to be transferring all of this knowledge to you because in the lead gen space, we noticed a trend in the market, and we were shocked to find out that the medical device niche was absolutely immense, right? So there was a huge growth potential in there, uncomparable to anything else we have ever seen, with a vast addressable market size, right? There is a significant opportunity for us to provide our expertise in all of these sectors just for you, right? So we're 100% sure that we're going to be able to drive significant revenue for anyone that we work with. And I'm willing to back that claim up. So how do we work with you? So there is a 4-step process. So let's say we start working tomorrow, right? We're going to be identifying our ideal client persona, our ideal client profile, right? And based off of the data that you already have, right? So lookalike existing clients, understanding the pain points, the goals, everything they're trying to achieve, and understanding the current sales process that you have. And based off of that information, we're going to be matching you with the vendors, right, on our database using advanced pattern recognition to make a good match with you and these clients, right? Match with vendors that already have a purchase history with you as well. We're going to be using that information to find new clients just based on those patterns, which is beautiful. So after that, we're going to be connecting you with these vendors. We're going to connect you for a demo or proposal. I need to reiterate this because we only move forward with highly qualified clients. So those appointments in your calendar will be pretty much extremely qualified, ready for a demo or proposal, right? After that, we just implement the sales process to close the deals, automated nurturing sequences that we're going to be helping you with, and we're going to support the back end of your sales process as well, right? So why are we doing this realistically? Well, currently, firms and manufacturing companies are only doing exhibitions and conferences and or paid traffic. We're going to take paid traffic out of the picture. We're going to be focusing only on the exhibitions right now. There's roughly between 3 to 6 exhibitions every year, an average of 4 a year, right? And in those exhibitions, in those conferences, making connections is really difficult. We understand that, right? So roughly you'll be making 56 connections out of 4 exhibitions a year. And that costs a lot of money for you. That is a lot of your budget for selling will be going towards these exhibitions, because there's a relocating cost, there's a staffing cost, there are all of these kind of different costs just to make a few introductions that are not really qualified. They're just curious about your product, right? So how do you guys benefit from actually implementing an outbound process? So this outbound system is a turnkey solution for prospecting, essentially. That is the simple way to say it. It runs on 260 days out of the year. We're going to be making over 200,000 connections and for a fraction of the cost. So all of that to bring qualified people that actually want to book a demo with you, to actually want to make a proposal to you. So everything will come together for a fraction of the cost, when without the hassle of relocating people and relocating equipment and everything like that. So we're going to be connecting you with thousands of vendors every single day. Our system has the capacity to send over 1,000 potential buyers a day, to reach into them, right? Which would equate to whatever full capacity is for your sales team, right? So we would identify what the unit metrics are and make sure you have the back-end support and systems in place to support that demand. If for some reason, why are we saying that, by the way? If for some reason there's too much going on, there's too many calls coming in, we can stop and then resume and then keep going again. The whole idea is your pipeline will be jammed. So let's keep moving forward. So you already booked this call. It means you're interested in what we have to offer, interested in our system, or just curious, whatever it may be. Next call should be a discovery call. We're going to be learning about each other and seeing if there is a good match here. We want to make sure that we are 100% positive that we can help you. If not, then we can move forward, not waste each other's time. And we just want to understand your goals, your pains, and just find a solution for that that's tailor-made for you, right? Once we already have those established, we're going to be moving to the strategy and hypothesis call, which we're going to be finding out more about which approach we can get with this and how to move forward to actually start implementing and then booking more calls on your calendar, just like we promised, right? So I'm going to reiterate everything I said. Our proprietary 200 million plus vendor matchmaking database will enable us to do the following for you. Engage with over 1,000 potential buyers every single day, and you only get connected with vendors that are highly qualified. They're already requesting a product demo or proposal, and we're going to be jam-packing your pipeline with opportunity without lifting a single finger. Well, if that sounds too good to be true, then you're going to love the next steps for this. We only take on 2 new clients every month, which is that's the disclaimer we have for you. So since you already booked the call, let's have a chat and see if we can strike something together. I look forward to connecting with you, and I'll see you soon.